Tuesday episode is stormy day. On a raining day, Leo had to go out to feed food, but it has raining and the streets had floods.
How will I go out to get my cheese? It's all flooded. I know. I have an idea. I'll build a boat.
Leo took his pen and a paper and dreamed up what would be his flooring device. With one potato chip bag, one toothpick, and piles of styrofoam, Leo builds in a boat and heads off like a sailor. During the voyage, a little crocodile has swimmed and asked for Leo's help, who promptly helped her on the boat. The little roach was very grateful and wanted to return his kindness. She offered to help Leo to feed food. They followed the pack to the bakery, where Leo knew there were delicious cheese. But they realized there were so many humans waiting inside. What now? How will Leo get in? Number 1, hop through roof. Number 2, give up and go home. Number 3, the cockroach will help. You chose number 3. Well done, the cockroach will help. Thus hasn't the roach entered the scene, as she knew that in spite of being so small, she could cause huge problems. And while the mason short, Leo then left with the thanks of cheese in hand. To help each other, you build strong bonds and create a more harmonious world. Did you like the history? Subscribe, thumbs up, and until the next adventure. The adventure is starting. Leo the mouse will get us smiling. It's time to have fun and brighten day.